Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Microsoft Surface 8 Pro and you need to do a hard reset on the tablet. This will return it to its factory default settings like it's a brand new tablet. In case you're going to sell it to somebody or give it away, you're going to want to do this before you do that. It's real easy to do. All you need to do is go into the settings, and then in the settings there's this little search, and if you just type reset into this little search, it will take you to this system recovery page behind this window where it says reset, and you'll click on the reset, and then it will open it up, and it says you can keep the files or you can remove everything. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose remove everything. It's going to take you to a confirmation screen. It's just going to warn you that everything will be deleted and it will be like a brand new tablet. You'll confirm that, and then everything will delete and the tablet will shut down. And then the tablet will start back up. You can turn the tablet back on, and it will turn on like it did when it came out of the box. And that's pretty much it. Just one more thing. If you're in the market for a credit card, Chase will give you $200 for free just for signing up for a credit card. I have a link in the description if you're interested.